Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2014 Ford F-150. This F-150 is featured in the FX4 trim and has a black paint finish. The vehicle has features including our 20-inch alloy rims, our trailer package with integrated brake controller, Bluetooth, as well as heated and vented front seats, power seats, and a backup camera with adaptive guidelines. Now into the front of the vehicle. We can see above our door handle, we have our powered mirror settings with fold. Just below, we have our chrome door handle, our door locks, our windows with auto front, as well as our window lock for the rear. At the bottom, we have some extra storage. Moving up to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our light settings, including our exterior lighting and our interior center cluster gauge lighting. Moving to the middle, we can see our cluster gauge with our digital information in the middle. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our cruise control settings and our hands-free settings. On the right-hand side, additional hands-free settings, including all of our media settings. Moving to the middle, we have our central console with our Bluetooth, as well as our radio, and our heated and cooled front seats are in there. Above that, we have our downhill park assist, as well as our ABS. Moving to the left-hand side, we have all of our drivetrain select. And below that, we have our trailer brake settings. Here we have all of our additional media controls if we choose not to use our touch screen, as well as our CD player. In the bottom, we have our dual zone climate control. Then we have some extra storage below. We have our two cup holders. We have our center console, which opens with a press. We have storage on top that can be lifted out. In the bottom, we can see we have some additional plugs, including our SD slot and two USBs. Moving across, we can see our seats, which are in our black leather, and of course they are heated and vented in the front. Lastly, moving above our backup or our rear mirror, we have our sliding power window, as well as two sunglass holders. Now walking down the side of the F-150, we can see in the front we have our FX4 badging with our F-150 badging. Our mirrors are paint match, as well as our door handles. On the bottom, we can see that we have our running board across. In the bottom of it, we have a coded entry into the vehicle. Back door handle is also paint matched. Here we can see our alloy rims with Ford center caps. And we have some more FX4 badging in the back of our vehicle. Moving into the back itself, we can see on the left-hand side our F-150 badging, our Ford badge in the center, and our Flex Fuel badge on the right-hand side. Moving down, we can see all of our connections for our trailer hitch. Opening up the back of the vehicle, we can see we have our bed liner with storage. Then on top, we have our tri-fold tonneau cover. Into the back of the vehicle, we can once again see we have our chrome door handle, as well as our window control. In the bottom, we have some extra storage. Moving inside the vehicle itself, we can see on the seat in front of us, we have our magazine holder. In the middle, we can see we have our two vents, as well as our 110 volt plug and our 12 volt plug. Passenger side seating also has our magazine holder. Moving across, we can see the seats, once again in the black leather. And in the back, we have seating for three and a 60/40 fold. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2014 Ford F-150. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.